Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Skill BD. In today's video, I'll show you the top 10 digital skills to learn in 2025 that can help you build your career, grow your business, and earn money online. The world is changing super fast. AI, automation, and digital transformation are everywhere. If you want to stay ahead, these are the skills you must learn right now. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Digital marketing is the #1 skill that's always in demand. Every business, small or big, needs online marketing to grow. Learn these sub-skills: Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, search engine optimization, email, marketing, YouTube ads. With just a laptop and internet connection, you can work with clients worldwide or grow your own business. Content is king in the digital world. Learn how to make videos, blogs, social media posts, and podcasts. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook are paying creators now. So, start learning video editing, CapCut, Premiere Pro, script writing, thumbnail design, storytelling for social media. Every brand needs design. Logos, banners, posts, ads, everything. Learn tools like Canva, Photoshop, Illustrator, and you can easily start freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. Bonus tip: learn branding design and social media design, because those are high-paying services. SEO helps websites rank higher on Google. Businesses pay a lot for it because it drives free traffic. Learn keyword research, on-page and off-page SEO, technical SEO tools to use, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Ubersuggest, and Google Search Console. AI is changing everything, from marketing to content creation. Learn to use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, AI Notion, AI Runway, ML. These tools can save you time and make your work more professional. Remember, the person who uses AI smartly will replace the person who doesn't. Data is the new oil. Every company wants people who can analyze data and make smart decisions. Learn tools like Google Analytics, Excel, Power BI, or Tableau. You can work as a data analyst or marketing analyst. Both are high-paying jobs worldwide. Every business needs a website, and web designers are in huge demand. Learn WordPress, easy for beginners. HTML, CSS, JavaScript for developers. UI to UX basics. Even simple business websites can earn you $100–500 per project. Every brand wants to stay active on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, but they need experts to manage it. Learn how to plan and schedule posts, run ad campaigns, track engagement, and analytics. You can easily become a social media manager for small businesses and get monthly clients. Video content is exploding in 2025. Learn tools like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Adobe Premiere Pro. Start with short-form content editing, Reels, TikToks, Shorts, and later move to full YouTube videos or commercial editing. Finally, you must learn how to sell your skills online. Learn platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and how to create a strong profile. Learn communication, client handling, proposal writing, and time management. These soft skills make you a successful freelancer. So, these are the top 10 digital skills to learn in 2025. Don't try to learn everything at once. Just pick one skill and master it step by step. Start with something simple like Canva design or social media marketing, and then grow from there. Remember, skill is the new degree. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Digital Skill BD for more digital learning content every week. Comment below which skill you want to learn first. I'll make a full tutorial on it next.